Hey, what's going on, man? What's going on? It's EA. Welcome back to my channel. We're here to hit that kitchen one more again. I have a dish that I'm going to prepare today. It's going to be baked chicken over cabbage. You got your veggie, you got your protein, right? Let's go ahead and get it. Okay, we're back in the laboratory. Perhaps you've seen this particular dish before, or this recipe. I prepared it a couple of times, and I absolutely love it. You're going to need a nice round cabbage, and you're going to need some beautiful quarter halves. Go with your cabbage. Here's what we're going to be doing. We got a cabbage, right? And we have our quarter halves, our chicken, right? First thing we're going to do, we're going to go and get our hands washed. Go ahead and get our hands washed up. We introduce our stars, which is our cabbage, and our quarter halves of chicken. These are our ingredients we're going to use today. We have, to my far right, we have some soy sauce. We have some tomato paste. We have garlic salt. We have garlic powder. Onion powder. You can use either olive oil or avocado oil. For this particular recipe, I'm going to use some avocado oil. Delicious. You're going to need some melted butter, which will melt in a moment. Of course, this is your avocado oil. We're going to use this ingredient called coriander. It's called coriander, right? You got your pepper, you got your salt, and you also have your smoked paprika, all right? So, this is what we're going to do. First things first, right? I'll go ahead and put our gloves on. Here we go. First thing we're going to do, right? We need to prep our cabbage. This particular way, right? And we'll start with prepping the cabbage first. First thing you want to do is get your knife, right? Let's just go down the center of it. That's it. All right? Got 2 equal halves, right? What we're going to do, we're going to remove this portion right here. That little core. Remove that little core piece. Put that to the side, right? Then what you're going to do is going to slice about an inch thickness. All right? About an inch thickness all the way around. Cabbage, sit that right here. What we'll do, we'll use this other side. That's what we'll do. Use this other side here. Got to remove that core. Try not to make too much of a mess. Alright. We're going to do the same thing here. About an inch of thickness. Okay. Just sit this to the side. Okay, after that, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put a little oil, avocado oil, in our dish. All right, we'll do that. Go ahead and spread this around like so. All right. Gonna set our cabbage inside of our dish like that right there. Right? We'll go ahead and use some more of this cabbage so it won't go to waste. But I love cabbage. I absolutely love me some cabbage. In addition to that, these quarter halves are rather large, so we're definitely going to need more cabbage at the base so that the quarter half can have a very comfortable resting place. Like so. Alright, so just to be able to manage things and access everything, what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping our cabbage, okay? First thing you want to do, right? And, I'm not measuring these ingredients because these particular ingredients, you're going to salt or pepper to taste, okay? So, just use your imagination, whatever you like. I don't know what you like. I'm going to show you my measuring technique, okay? And it's just sprinkle, that, right? So we're going to put a little salt over top of them. little pepper on each one. We got cabbage halves. This is a very inexpensive, quick, easy meal to prepare. Okay, next we're gonna get our paprika. Sprinkle a little bit on the top like so. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get some of our avocado oil. Pour a little bit on the top, like so. And we're going to take our brush and just spread that avocado oil across the surface of that cabbage. Matter of fact, let's put a little bit more avocado oil on these right here. And you'll see that it's going to provide a very rich taste for this cabbage. Once we've done that, as you can see, right, we have our salt and our pepper on the surface of our cabbage. We also have the paprika. We also have added our avocado oil, right? Those are ready to go. That's done. Let's go ahead and prep our chicken, right? With our quarter halves, first things first, right? We're gonna put a little soy sauce on them. Soy sauce. You want to be modest, very careful with the soy sauce, but as you know, the soy sauce has a certain level of amount of sodium content, salt. So be very, very conservative with the soy sauce. Garlic powder. Remember, garlic powder does not have salt, so you put a generous helping of garlic powder in there. Onion powder does not have salt. Generous helping of onion powder in there. This coriander, not too much, just sprinkle, sprinkle. Has a little smoky flavor. All right, and our tomato paste, man, tomato paste. 1 second. Paste. Regular tomato paste. That's all you need. Sit that down just like that. Okay? Once you've done that, right? I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little bit of this olive, the pure avocado oil, just a little bit. Okay? And what I like to do, I'll just come over here, slice this orange. Squeeze a little orange juice in there. Natural orange juice. Okay? Then basically all you're going to do is just mix it around like so. Mix it around in there like so. Okay? Now what I'm going to do, I forgot one of my ingredients. You take these gloves off, kind of backtrack real quick. Need to melt this butter. One. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. Okay, I had to put some more gloves on. My butter's ready to go. Okay. And melted butter. We're gonna pour the melted butter on top of the chicken, like that. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it a little bit more. A little bit more. Make sure we get the tomato paste saturated all over this chicken. All over the chicken. Okay? Alright. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, let's clean this off right here. Alright, next thing we're gonna do, I'll put some liver foil on here, on top of this bowl. If you have saran wrap, that goes better. Saran wrap is preferred. Let me get a little bit more foil. Okay, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Allow it to marinate. Alright, 30 minutes in the refrigerator to marinate. And while we're waiting on that, we're gonna go ahead over and set our oven temperature. Okay, we're gonna bake this at 380. Right? And we're gonna let it bake once we put it in the oven for approximately 1 hour. Okay? 6 minutes. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and get it, baby. Hey, look, in the interest of transparency, I have a confession to make. While y'all backwards turn, I add the rest of that cabbage to my dish. I hope you don't mind. Because I don't mind. I don't like wasting food. Plus, I like cabbage, baby. Okay, let's go ahead and grab this chicken. These barnyard pimps. Let me show you what I'm gonna do with it, right? I'm gonna put this foil over here like that, right? Now, as you can see, I have a whole dish full of cabbage. And these are some rather large quarter halves. I've already cleaned them the whole 9 yards. This is what we're gonna do with it. Check it out. I'll lay that joint just like that there. Watch this here. I'm gonna lay that on there just like that there. Just like that right there. I'm gonna reach in here and grab that, some remnants of that tomato paste. Man, you talking about something that's gonna be good. Rub it in there like that. It's gonna melt down under that heat and spread itself along the edges of the chicken. All right. What we're gonna do, we already have the oven set at 380, right? We're gonna set our timer for 1 hour. Cook time, 60 minutes. Take a look at that before I put it in. See that? Some beauties, right? Yes, sir. Go ahead. Put this in my nice clean oven. Emphasis on clean oven. We're gonna close it. In the words of a famous chef, I'm just gonna sit it and forget it. Stay tuned. Okay. Let's go ahead and check it out. See what we're working with, baby. Move over here. See what we're working with, baby. You are my starship. Come take me up tonight, and don't be late. Yes, you are my starship. Check that out right there, baby. Check that out right there. Check that out right there. Look at the juices from the chicken. Look at the beautiful cabbage. You know it's soft and tender and succulent, right? There you go right there, baby. There you go right there. Take a good look at it. Take a good look at that right there. ABC, baby. ABC. Another bad creation, right? So yeah, this is my my baked chicken quarters over cabbage dish. You gotta try it. It's an inexpensive dish. You got your vegetables, you got the protein, right? Healthy dish. All you gotta do is just bring the side, baby. You know, knock it right out of the water. So with that said, look, I hope you like this content. Right? I hope you like this content. And if you do, by all means, give me a thumbs up, man. Give me a thumbs up. It's free, right? And if you should decide to subscribe to my channel, right, you'll get notified when I upload new content like this right here, my recipes, the home decor videos that I upload as well. This is your baked chicken over cabbage, right? Courtesy of EA and my man Beamer down there. So with that said, hasta la vista.